Right, now I'm going to show you how to transform those very regular looking symmetrical flowers into something a bit more natural, like for example over here you have something like this or this, and I'm going to use this flower for starters. Okay, let's set up the viewport background just so we can see what to shoot for. Make a copy over here, scale it up to match the reference, and it looks like it has 6 leaves, 6 petals, so I'm gonna do another array with 6 copies. And scale it down so they all fit. It looks like the petals are slightly different shaped. Okay, I'm gonna do something like that. And move these forward. And once you are happy with your petal, you can make some modifications to the rest. Okay. Okay, so this is our starting point. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of my Turbo Smooth and collapse to this editable poly. And finally make them all unique. So basically just convert to editable polys. And we want to make them different from each other. So for example, this one could be slightly twisted this way. Like that. And this one could go the other way. Maybe make one a bit larger and one a bit smaller. Change the shape of the petal a bit. Okay, let's change the overall shape a bit as well. make it less perfect here in the middle. Just by moving some vertices, rotating them around, you can quickly change it enough so it looks much more natural than it did before. Okay, maybe let's twist the center a bit. And add back the Turbo Smooth modifier. I'm just using the reference as a rough guideline. To see some possible shapes I can try to replicate. Okay, and it looks quite good. Now let's compare it to our original flower. And it's perfectly symmetrical and geometric looking, and this modified version is quite a bit more natural. You can also rotate some of the petals in different directions, just to give it a bit more of a 3D look. Okay. And as long as you have a good base model without a collapsed modifier stack, I mean before the Turbo Smooth, you can just modify the base model, add back the Turbo Smooth, and you have a whole different thing.